In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Chrome white screen issue in Windows. If you've ever encountered that annoying blank screen when trying to browse the internet, you're not alone. This is a fairly common issue, but thankfully, there are a few straightforward steps you can take to resolve it. Let's dive right in and get your browser back to working as it should. First up, the simplest yet often most effective step is to ensure that your Chrome browser is up to date. Google releases updates to fix bugs, improve security, and enhance performance, so you're best off making sure you have the latest version. To do this, open Chrome and navigate to the settings by clicking on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. From there, head over to Help and then select About Google Chrome. This will automatically prompt Chrome to check for any updates. If there are updates available, Chrome will download and install them automatically. After the update, restart your browser and see if the white screen issue persists. If updating Chrome doesn't do the trick, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can often resolve display issues, as sometimes old or corrupted data can interfere with the proper loading of web pages. To clear your cache and cookies, go back to Chrome's settings. From there, click on Privacy and Security and then select Clear Browsing Data. In the dialog box that appears, set the time range to all time to ensure you're clearing everything. Check the boxes for cached images and files, and cookies and other site data. Finally, click on Clear Data. This might take a few moments depending on how much data is stored, so be patient. Once you've done this, restart Chrome again and check if your issue is resolved. Now, let's move on to another potential solution. Sometimes extensions or settings that you've customized can cause issues. Start by opening Chrome in incognito mode, which disables extensions. If the white screen issue doesn't occur in incognito mode, it's likely an extension is the culprit. You can disable extensions by going into Settings again and selecting Extensions. From here, you can disable them one by one to pinpoint which is causing the problem. These steps should help most users troubleshoot and fix the Google Chrome white screen issue on Windows. Remember, keeping your browser updated and clearing unnecessary data regularly are good practices to maintain optimal performance. If, after trying all these steps, the issue remains unresolved, it may be worth consulting Google's support or considering a deeper system issue that may require professional attention. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps have helped you navigate and solve your Chrome issues efficiently.